I don't know what they said. He pulled up and got my tab for no reason. Remember, that's the same dude. They said,
oh, yeah.
Got his ass. He don't even know it. Got his ass. I don't know what. Hey, what they start you for?
Revving the engine.
Oh shit.
Revving the engine. Nobody even.
Damn.
Revving the engine, bro.
A little loud, I guess. Yeah. He was right behind me the whole time.
Mm-hmm.
That's what y'all stopped him for?
Yeah.
He don't know. He pulled up crazy. I don't know why he did. He got my tab for no reason.
Because you rolled up on his traffic stop.
I just stopped in the parking spot.
We always riding together.
I know. And so when we get out, we try to have the numbers advantage. It's safer for everybody.
Yeah.
It's for us.
But we didn't roll up on his traffic stop. We was riding together. So therefore, y'all rode up
out
on.
first. I was right behind y'all.
Y'all rode up on us. We was riding together. We pulled out
Your
together.
engine's that pocket. Yeah.
Right.
What's wrong with that though? It's nighttime. It's nightlife, Tallahassee.
I don't know how he's right.
What about that right there?
I mean, if we're dealing with y'all.
No, man. No.
That's crazy. All we did was pull out of the parking lot.
Y'all played the same game last night.
Last night? What game I played?
Pretty sure it was you with that bike.
You talked to me last night? Nah.
Yep.
You ain't talk to me. I promise you ain't talk to me.
Not somebody with a V-twin.
V-twin?
It's a twin, is it not?
No. I thought you ride.
The 400?
Yeah.
I thought it was. It sounds like a little. Alrighty, sir.
Violation of 316/30/45. Noise from a mechanical device that's necessary for normal operation. I watched you more than welcome to contest it. We'll go there. We got it on video, audio. I watched you come through.
Hey, so that's gonna put points on his license for noise?
Non-moving infractions. $123.
You got a couple things.
So, you have any questions? Yeah. Everything's on the back. All right. You have any questions? You don't rev that engine anymore. Okay?
Hey, Sarge.
Registration's expired.
Sergeant.
I'm in the middle of talking right now. Can you wait till I'm done? Thank
Okay.
you. Your registration's expired. I'm cutting you the warning on that. It expired 7 days ago. All right? That could also be $123 citation. I'm giving you a warning on that, so now you know. Get it taken care of. Fair enough? All right. Please drive carefully. Not rev that engine than what's necessary to operate the vehicle. All right? All right. You're all set. What you need?
I was just asking, is that gonna put points on his license?
No, non-moving. He's good. You don't got to worry about it. Moving infraction, yes. This is non-moving.
So you were the one that took him to the hospital, right?
Yeah.
What was that other guy's name?
Y'all drive a motorcycle this one, no revving those engines. More than 25 foot or what they consider what's necessary for operation of the vehicle, it's illegal. You'll get tickets. We're writing them left and right. Yep.
That's why you have to.
He tried to pull you over on Blairstone.
Yeah, that's why.
You made
that's why.
You made it your turn to pass me at the mall, and then you went down the road and crashed out, and I rode right up on you as you were trying to limp away.
Yep. Drive carefully. Do not drive crazy.
So, all right. Yeah, y'all have a good night.
All right.